my name is Alexis from Taylor & Son Chevrolet, and this is our 2012 Toyota Sienna van. At 140,000 miles, it does have some wear on it like you could expect. I'll try and show it. There's going to be just some chips here and some scratches along the front. Continuing on, you're going to have some more of these scratches, and those do go into the paint. You can feel them. Some scuffs on the tires there. Some paint on there, and then the marks do continue along the side of the van. Tires there. And then some more scuffs continue. Do have a dent here, so you can kind of see it there. And then this side will have some scratches as well. It's more kind of brush marks over here. Got a couple marks there. The driver's side. And those wheels there, kind of scuffed up. Take a look at the inside. Overall, the interior leather is pretty clean, especially for, like I said, the age and the miles. Do have a little bit of wear here, just from entering and exit. Dash doesn't have any cracks. Headliners, it's got a little bit of dirt, but overall no rips or tears. Now the seat here, this is loose, not something we have elected to fix. So you just have to be careful when you're using buttons. Take a look in the back here. We do have a little bit of wrinkling on the seats there. Let's see. Those will slide forward. Does take a little bit of strength to pull those forward, but they do slide. We got our back here. A little bit of dirt, but no rips there. What's that? Take a look at the back. A little bit of scuffing just on the plastic. I am not the expert on minivans here. I believe, there we go, and then those will go forward. That's your rear power lift gate closing. Take a look on this side. Pull that one forward. So there's a little stain on the leather back there, and just a couple of stains on the plastic. You're gonna have some of that same wear over here. Plastic trim piece does have a crack there. We have elected not to fix. Looks like you do have the leather just starting to chip away there. So that is our 2012 Sienna. The vehicle's as is. There is no warranty implied or expressed on it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We look forward to hearing from you.